How good is the old bit boy at picking top coins? Well, I put out my top coins of 2024 video in January of last year. How did it do? What if I told you the top 100 altcoins averaged 75% gains year to date? And the top 50, 85%. We didn't just beat them, we more than 2x'd them. And what about Ethereum? 60% year to date gains? We 3x'd it. That's right, guys, that's why Ethereum didn't make my list. Stick around to see how our top coins of 2024 video demolished the market and why you need to prepare for 2025 with BitBoyX. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to BitBoyX. I'm your host, the BitBoy. And this is the home of the Bit Squad, the most informed investors in crypto and beyond. Now, if you're looking for the best insights to dominate the market, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Today, we're not just celebrating, we do that a lot, but we're proving why our top coins video from 2024 set the gold standard for crypto investing this year. Here's the deal. The top 100 altcoins averaged just 75% year-to-date gains. The top 50, 85%. Even the top 25 managed just 95%. But our top coins of 2024, almost 200% gains. And I want to say this, when I wrote this script, it was 177% gains for the totality of our 7 coins. But XRP has over doubled since then and brought our numbers up significantly. We are now at almost 200%, over doubling every average of the market that you can pick. So it's over double the top 100, double the top 50, double the top 25, over 3x Ethereum's gains. That's right, guys, because when you follow this channel, you're not just keeping up with the trends, you're making them. You're leaving the market in the dust. That's what we do. Now, before we dive into this video further, shout out to our exclusive trading partner, Phemex, the ultimate crypto trading platform. Now, did you know that you can get up to $30,000 in bonuses just for signing up and making a deposit? That's right, $30K for starting a trading journey. Sounds pretty good. We got a link down below in the description and a QR code on the screen somewhere. Make it easy for you guys to get started. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity with Phemex. Palau ID information also down below. Now, let's revisit the top coins of 2024, the ones that carried our audience to the massive gains this year. XRP, a leader in cross-border payments with 300% year-to-date gains. Solana, or Sol, the Layer 1 powerhouse that's up 130% for the year. Sui, one of the hottest blockchain projects around, the best blockchain, turned out to be the best pick of them all, a staggering 341% gain. And Dogecoin with 370% gains, absolutely staggering. Then we have Aptos. It could have done a lot better if Sui wasn't around, is what I'll tell you guys. But it's a newer player that still delivered almost 50% year-to-date gains. Then we have AVAX. It didn't do quite as well, only 15% year-to-date gains. And Algorand, solid rebound with 118% year-to-date gains. Pretty good. There's not a single loser in the entire bunch. But most importantly, and this is the most important thing about this list, we got the big winners right. Bankrate recently published an article highlighting Doge and Sui as the top 2 performing altcoins in the top 50 for the entirety of 2024. Their original performance was already exceptional when that article came out. But since then, their gains have grown even higher. Guys, it's not about luck. It's about strategy and precision. Doge isn't just the top meme coin. It's the #1 performing altcoin in the top 50. Sui follows closely as #2. And guess what? XRP has shot up and it is challenging to be #3 right now. And there's a possibility it might take over both of them by the end of the year. Those 3 picks alone, Doge, Sui, and XRP, you 10x'd. You guys looking for a 10x? You 10x'd. You paid the coins I said in that video? You 10x'd. Our picks have consistently outperformed the market. We do it every single bull run. Okay, so I know how to pick them. You got that. Now, what's on the horizon for 2025? Those are new or you're looking for new investments. We got Polygon at #9, the leader in Ethereum scaling, but more importantly, the big boys, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, those guys, they got money in it and it's gonna pump and it's already started. Then we got Filecoin, driving decentralized storage into the next frontier. That's our #8 core. #7 is Tower, BitTensor. It's pioneering the integration of AI and blockchain and making an economy for AI. Then #6, we have ICP, or the Internet Computer Protocol. It's reshaping the internet while integrating with Bitcoin. And you can take advantage and maybe hedge against a Bitcoin DeFi. I don't really want to invest in Bitcoin DeFi. I'm going to invest in ICP. And that way I get exposure to it without having to actually put some money into some stuff I don't know if it's going to go anywhere. And we got 5 more coins on the list. They're going to be coming out very soon, one by one. You guys drop below down in the comments what you think my top 5 is. Now, this new list is where you're going to reallocate some of your profits from the last wave to the next wave of explosive growth. When we reveal all of our coins in detail, you're going to see that they're set to dominate 2025. They're already starting to. We're only halfway through our top 9 coins of 2025. And with 5 more still to come, you know the best is yet to come. And I got 5 bangers for you guys. These picks are guaranteed to be just as exciting. And hopefully it's profitable, if not more profitable, is the first half of our list. And make sure you subscribed and click this playlist to catch up on the top 9 coins of 2025 so far. Now, let's recap. Our top coins of 2024 averaged a massive 200% year-to-date gain. That's 2x the entire top 100. Any way you break it down. Top 25, top 50, we beat it. If you've been following this channel, you've been taking profits like a pro. We've been telling you how to do that. Now, also guys, I want to know, are you ready to reallocate for 2025? Or are you still holding on to those 2024 backs? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the playlist for a deeper dive into the first 4 coins. Thanks for being a part of the Bit Squad. Let's keep winning. Be blessed. Bit Boy out.